Hey guys, you want to see how I did this shit right here? Well, keep watching. And I used, for this look, called the Morphine palette, called Oh My Bulge. I mean, Oh My GORG. Yeah, you can't see that shit, but it's alright. And fuck it. Also, these are some of the fucking colors, you know, they're pretty nice. Shiny shit. Look like fucking fairies. Got it. So stay tuned. Yeah, so hide your kids and hide your wife. Alright guys, well, for this first color we're going to use this thing called filter. You know, 'cause sometimes you gotta filter these motherfuckers out of your life. You know, we're going to blend this in. Make it look nice and tight. Yeah, once that shit is nice and tight, you know, we move on to this hot glam shit. Make it nice and shiny, because we love gold. You know, everybody loves fucking gold. And once that's put in, then we move into the money shot. I mean the headshot. You know, we're gonna blend the rest of it out, you know, make it look like we know like what we're doing here. My bad, I meant some Pramp, that's what that color was. You know, these, I don't know why they can't just make these colors simple. Then she's about to go back in with this headshot shit. And then hit that catwalk, you know, because we cats out here now. And since we cats, you know, obviously we gonna meow. Meow. Then, you know, you keep blending that catwalk on the catwalk. Then we hit these butterfly fucking eyelashes going on right here. So we can fly and shit, you know. Then we about to use this prison shank looking thing. This fucking eyeliner shit. It's probably like ground up charcoal or something. You know, make this shit look on fleek here. Make it look like a nice little. You know, once that's shaped out like a little cat eyes or whatever that is, we about to move up to this mascara, because you know you gotta mask some shit. You know, sometimes you can't let everybody all up in your business. And after this, I think we're gonna move on to this fucking cocaine powder. You know, that the good shit on the face. You know, it's not only good for snorting, it's good for your face. You know, while we put this on the face, we're gonna bake it. You know, bake it on the face for a bit. Whatever that means. It's not even hot in here. You know, once that's done baking, then we're gonna blend it in. I think. You know, make it nice and silky smooth. Look at that, doesn't that look smooth? Then I don't know what the fuck is going on here, you know. Some fucking Lightning McQueen shit. Ka-chow, ka-chow. You know, we gotta look shiny, so every time we turn, you know, we make bitches jealous with the little shine. You know, and then after that, we're about to do this lipstick and put them puta colors on. You know, we didn't use no lip liner, no lipstick this time, just a lipstick. Get this shit going, make them lips look nice and plump. And add some more lipstick, you know, make it shinier, I guess. You know, that fucking lip gloss. And then once we done with this, oh, damn, that's a lot of lip gloss. Once we're done with that, we're gonna, I don't know what the fuck this is. What is this, some type of spray? I guess we're gonna set this, maybe moisturize it. Oh, we're gonna fan it. Oh my gosh, you might cry. Oh, now we look fierce. Now we set. Yeah. Don't I look good? Yeah. You want some of this? Yeah, you can get it. Well, yeah, you like that shit? That was today's look. Thank you for watching. Bye.